edad kami ni tatay. Nanay sa Amerika.
Kakanta na tayo, kakanta na.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Sweet 16.
Hi everyone. Tama-tama sinabi ni Brother Jesse. Ang lakas pala ng loob natin kapag one-on-one lang. Pag ito palang nasa harap na ng tao, nakakataba na. Kaya ibang klase yung ginagawa mo, Pastor. So every Sunday na binibigay mo kami ng mga word of wisdom, perfect. I have the CD with you, with me in my possession. Pwede natin i-hand over ko na sa'yo or pwede natin view for a while. Maganda, parang isang pelikula. Anyway, God's mercy. Siyempre sa tulong ng Panginoon, binigyan tayo ng kalakasan. Natapos ko kahit 7 days in the making, honey. 7 days in the making. Starting Monday, natapos ko lang ang Friday. Well, 5 days, hindi pala 7 days. Anyway, I would like to thank the Lord for giving me this health, this condition. You guys, I have a family, I have a beautiful wife here. For almost 9 years. And okay, I reached this age. Actually, nasa ano pa ako eh, nasa loto pa ako. I still, yeah, that's a loto. At least, apat pa ako sa loto. Oh, alam mo, natutuwa ako sa mga facial expressions ninyo. Kasi when I see your face, they look into their eyes, especially pregnant, but maybe is the handsome and the magical. You guys are really that awesome. That is splendid. Okay. Again, dahil umabot ako ng loto years ko, hindi ko na sabihin ng exact. Pero pasok pa sa'yo, 38. I still believe that God, together with you guys, with your support, will give me more years, birthdays, and good health to come. Siyempre pag kasama na tayong lahat. Again, Pastor, talaga nakakakaba rin sa akin. Pero kakapal ako ng mukha ko. Total, nasa harap sila ako ng camera. This is ko nagagawa ng camera. Nung early years ko again, yung last, siguro couple of months ago, nag-usap kami ng brother ko. Is in the Philippines. Sabi ko sa akin, hindi ko akalain na magiging, you know, I wouldn't have any idea you would become a Christian, a born-again Christian. Nobody knows it. Because when I was in a Roman Catholic, of course, Catholic will not save me again. That's now I realize that faith, no matter what is your religion, will save you. He tells me that, oh, I didn't know about that. Sabi ko sa kanya, I realized that my faith, not my religion, will save me again. And when we were young, younger then, we're still younger. But we were younger. Those years, parang I'm the prodigal son, as you mentioned. The guy that stay out of the church, them inside the church, and cracking a joke with themselves that hey, the priest is having his the chalice, drinking the chalice, and then they have he's doing some trumpet thing instead of chalice, the torotot. So I was joking, cracking a joke. So sabi niya sa akin, why are you like that? Sabi ko, I don't know, maybe there's something that I cannot digest what the religion is telling me all about. Maybe I'm the rebel guy. And it turned out that after those years, I would appear in the church like you can count on your hands, like during Holy Week and Christmas. And maybe, I don't know, birthday, I'm forgetting my birthday. Anyway, so now I realize that there's really one God, and He's really that great. And again, the faith would save me rather than the religion. God, amen. I'm talking before you guys. No? At ako'y napakamahiyain ko talaga. Hindi ako maharap talaga sa harap ng tao. Pwede akong marap sa, again, kapag Brother Jesse. Pero in front of people, the last time I would face the panel interview was
KFC. Can you? Hey, oh, now you hold it. You hold it. I know.
Wala pa yung may book there. Ay, yung langaw! Yung langaw! Hoy!
My ransom took it off.
Dami ko kakainin na. Iwanan mo sa dito. Hey, if this new girl's sitting here, I'm get out of here. Little girl.
Thank you very much.
Lean yan eh. Thank you, honey, sa pagkakasikaso ng mga lahat ng ito. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Siyang manager ng administrator.
Hindi na kayo.
Surprise ka sa akin yan eh. Actually, hindi ko alam yun.
Tapos ulam. Paano ka naman dito? Happy birthday, Brother Nolly! Salamat sa maraming handa.
Basketball, pag marangkada na yun, tumatabi lang.
Parang pader. Parang Mike is next. Ayan pala yung celebrate. Bumati na ako. Oh, yeah. Bumati na kayo.
Brother Noe, wish you more blessings.
Amen.
Yan, sana may camera lang.
Ayun na yung camera.
Parang lasing eh.
Sesame ah.
Happy birthday to happy birthday, Barnoli. Thank you very much.
Alam mo ha, hindi kita
More blessings to come.
Thank you.
Oh, wag mong gaano kunan yung plato at bumibigat na.
Ay, ano ba?
Yeah, pastor.
Thank you for the food.
Si Mike.
Ewan ko ba? Sinong bumati? Ewan ko sa'yo.
Bakit namumula? Kinakama.
Ewan ko nga sa'yo eh. Bendis mo. Ewan ko sa'yo.
Spaghetti sa taas, spaghetti sa baba, sabi na.
Bugis ka.
Yun!
Ay, wala pa naman yan.
Ano yan?
Come on up, let's go rin yung bebe na kami.
Teriyaki chicken.
Chef na naman, pagkakabigote na ako na. Chef na.
Anong sauce na to para sa manok?
Biga, talo.
Para sa manok, teriyaki yun eh. Napakakon naman si sister mo, ha? Mapagmahal sa asawa.
Yan.
Ano ba? Tayo maghipon. Tayo maghipon.
Brother Noli, kain ka na.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Brother Noli.
Thank you.
Happy birthday. Thank you very much.
Maraming salamat.
Brother Alvin, would you mind? Pakisama na kami, sama lang.
Ako, hindi na kayo nakakain.
Yan. Halilikat tayo tatlo, sama natin.